I didn't think we could fall in love. Broken from the start, chained to our past. We had closed hearts.
What's up guys, hope you're all doing well. Today we will be talking about 10 ambitious Google Alphabet projects you may not have heard about. Google went through a massive reorganization in October of 2015 when Alphabet became its parent company. Projects that weren't a part of Google's core businesses such as Google's search engines and Android were spun out into separate Alphabet companies with their own CEOs. All of these moonshot projects cover everything from making smarter homes to creating robots that can work alongside humans. But even Google proper, which now falls under Alphabet, still has oversight over some of these futuristic projects. Here are 10 most ambitious moonshot projects under Alphabet and what they hope to accomplish. First is delivery drones. Project Wing is Alphabet's desire to replace your mailman with flying drones. A patent filed in October of 2014 gave us better insight as to how the project would work. The drone will lower a package using a winch to tiny robots on the ground. These robots will then wheel the packages to a safe holding location. Alphabet plans on releasing the drone delivery service to the public in 2017. Project Wing is run by Google X, the company under Alphabet. Next up is smart contact lenses. Alphabet is pursuing smart contact lenses that are solar powered and collect biological data about the wearer. Sensors embedded in the contacts could collect information like body temperature and blood alcohol content. The tech giant also announced in 2014 that it was pursuing contact lenses that would use tiny glucose sensors to measure sugar levels in your tears. The project is run by Alphabet's Verify company, which was originally named Google Life Sciences. Next up, Internet beaming hot air balloons. Project Loon is Alphabet's desire to bring internet to 2/3 of the world's population using internet beaming hot air balloons. The project has been in the works since 2011, about 2 years before it was unveiled to the public. The solar-powered balloons fly at a high altitude to provide broadband to areas without internet access. You can read the specifics about how the project works here. Project Loon is run under Google X. Next on our list, cancer detecting pill. The tech giant is designing tiny magnet particles that can look into signs of cancer and other diseases in the human body. The project, however, is at least another 4 years away from being ready for the prime time. The project is being run by Google X Research Lab. Next on our list is internet beaming drones. Alphabet has 2 approaches to beaming the internet around the world: hot air balloons and drones. The tech giant bought Titan Aerospace, which makes the solar-powered drones that are built to fly non-stop for years. The Titan Aerospace Solara 50 has a wingspan of 150 feet and is equipped with 3,000 solar cells, which can provide 7 kilowatts of electricity to stay airborne for 5 years. They can also take aerial photography. The drone project is run as a part of Project Titan under Google. Next up, robots. Google turned Alphabet acquired a ton of robotic companies in 2013. One that stands out is Boston Dynamics. Boston Dynamics creates a number of robots inspired by animals to aid in military use. The one pictured here is called the Cheetah robot, the fast-legged robot in the world. The Cheetah robot can get to a speed of 29 miles per hour, crushing a 13.1 mile per hour speed record set by MIT in 1989. You can see a list of Alphabet's robotic projects here. All robot projects are run as a part of Replicant, which is controlled by Google X. Next on our list is longer-lasting batteries. Creating longer-lasting batteries may not seem like an ambitious project, but it's actually a pretty difficult one. There is a lot of demand for batteries that last longer when it comes to creating popular consumer items like smartphones. The Alphabet CEO Larry Page told analysts in 2013 that battery life for mobile devices is a huge issue, with real potential to invent new and better experiences. A small group of just 4 members is currently working on that issue under Google X. Next up, giant genomic storage services. Google will store your genome in the cloud for $25, and the storage system could have a major impact on the scientific community. The hope is to collect millions of genomes to aid in scientific research. As MIT Review reports, the system could aid in collecting cancer genome clouds that would allow scientists to share information and run virtual experiments. The project is run under Google X. Next up, Google's project to cure death. The tech giant has taken on the ambitious project of extending the average lifespan. The research being done has been kept fairly hush, but we know researchers are looking at things like genes that correlate to longer lifespans in certain people. The project is run by Calico, a company under Alphabet that stands for California Life Company. And next on our list is artificial intelligence. DeepMind, which is the company's AI research firm, falls under Google as a traditional product. Google has made massive strides with refining its AI. In January, Google AI beats a human at a complex game of Go for the very first time. Google's AI was also capable of learning to play and win Atari 2600 games without any prior instruction in 2015. More recently, a company's AI system was able to successfully navigate a maze on a computer game the same way a human would. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful. We will be coming up with more interesting topics like these. So stay tuned, and until next time, have a great day.